Hello everyone. So let's talk about the course overview and how you can navigate this particular course series. So in this particular program, you will be getting actually lots of module. Like you can see, these are the module you'll be getting. Okay. So see, you have to watch. These are the recording one by one. It's not like that. Let's say you have started with first module, then you are going to the let's say fifth module or let's say sixth module. Okay, not like that. If you want to understand the entire LLMops concept, okay, the way actually I have designed, you have to go through step by step. First of all, try to complete let's say introduction to LLMops part. Okay, so here you will be getting some sub let's say topics. Okay, in that actually I have let's say discussed so many things. Then just try to complete the foundation of LLMs, then LLMops to tooling landscape, then data management for LLMs, then training and fine tuning of the large language model. So here we will be talking about actually foundation of LLMs, like different models are available, different let's say code models are available which is using in the LLMs. Different components will be also talking about, okay, of the large language model. Then I'll give you the entire tools overview, what are the tools are available, and we'll be also learning the practical implementation of it. Then data management will be also learning. Then training and fine tuning, it's super important. So here we'll be talking about LoRa QLoRa quantization technique. Then retrieval augmented generation, super important concept. Okay, because going forward you are not going to train or let's say fine tune the LLM. Instead of that, you will be implementing the RAG application most of the time. Okay, because RAG helps us to connect with our custom documents. Okay, instead of training the model, fine tuning the model. Then we'll be learning about the model serving and inference. Then we'll be also learning the evaluation and monitoring. Then security, privacy, ethics. Okay, then LLMops platform will be learning. So inside that we'll be learning like Vertex AI, Bedrock. Okay, these are the thing we'll be learning. Then after completing all the topic, we'll be doing some projects. Okay, so this is the entire actually overview, and that's how you have to navigate the entire course. Okay, then you'll be able to understand each and everything I have explained here. So yes guys, so now let's start with our next actually let's say module, which is nothing but foundation of large language model.